The onomatopoeia bukubuku in English represents the sound of bubbles in water or soap foam. This onomatopoeic word captures the bubbling and foaming action, as bubbles rise to the surface or spread across the water. It conveys the image of bubbles forming one after another, accompanied by small and gentle sounds. Moreover, this sound signifies the vigorous and lively nature of bubbling water, as well as a sense of freshness. By imagining the moment bubbles are born and picturing the expanding foam and water, one can grasp the sensation while associating it with the sound bukubuku.